This tutorial will show you how to create a single shipment using ShipIt. To start, open up your browser and type shipit.ucsd.edu into the search field and hit enter. Log on with your single sign-on. This will take you directly to the ship screen. Before going any further, be sure to read the restrictions outlined in the top left corner to determine if your packages are supported by ShipIt. Also, to avoid navigation issues, please ensure your pop-up blocker is turned off. Start by filling out the recipient contact information, shipping address, and payment method. Note: the country code defaults to the United States. For international shipments, be sure to change this field by selecting the appropriate country code from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind, domestic shipments require the city, state, and postal code. International shipments may not. When shipping internationally, please be sure to confirm the address requirements and verify the content for each of these fields with the recipient. Select the residential checkbox if the recipient address is a non-commercial address, a home or residence. To store this address for future use, select Add to Personal Address Book. Once the shipment is completed, ShipIt will automatically add the recipient information to your address book. Leave the payment terms set to prepaid and the account field blank when paying with an index. Third-party billing is covered in a separate video tutorial. Enter the total declared value of your multi-box shipment if applicable. Once the recipient information and payment method has been completed, use the fields in the right pane to input the package information. Start by reviewing the 5 questions. Select the checkbox to answer yes for all that apply to your shipment. For further guidance on how to answer each question, click the blue question mark to reveal the help text. Reminder: ShipIt may only be used to process domestic, non-hazardous shipments or international, non-technical document shipments. For the package contents field, provide a description of what is in the package. The ship date will default to the current date. Enter a numerical value for the package weight in pounds. Enter the package dimensions in inches. Be sure to follow the same format shown in parentheses. At this point, you can rate shop to get an estimated cost based on service. Or, you can add additional services to your shipment by navigating to the shipping forms on the right and clicking on Add Special Services. Click all the special services that apply and click Save. The service field defaults to Best Way Domestic Cost. For domestic shipments, you can use this option to see all services available for that shipment. Or, choose a faster service category such as 2-day Best Way. Or, select the specific service you want. For international shipments, select International Best Way. Once you select the service category or service to rate, click the Rate button. The Rate Shop screen provides services available based on the package information you provided. If you want to see rates that were excluded and the reason for the exclusion, click on the Expand button next to Rate Shop Exceptions. Select the service you would like for the shipment. Note that if you close out of the rate screen without selecting a service, ShipIt will default to the cheapest option. If you use your own packaging, leave the packaging field set to customer packaging. If you used a carrier package type, select that package type. Tip: use the help text to select the correct package type. Be sure to review all of the information and selections to confirm it is correct. If it is, click the Ship button. A PDF file with your shipping label will pop up, as well as a separate PDF file with the shipment summary to keep for your records. Print the shipping label and attach it to your package. You can place it with your regular mail pickup or drop it off at a shipping location that accepts prepaid packages. This concludes the tutorial for creating a single shipment. If you have additional questions, you can contact a ShipIt specialist by submitting an Ask Case.